guys, how are you going? So I really miss eating in TokyoTokyo in the Philippines, so I decided to share with you my chicken karaage. Believe me guys, this is just so easy and not as complicated as what I thought. So you just have 3 steps. The first is prepare, followed by marinate, and then the third or the last one is of course fry. As you can see, to enjoy this karaage, you need to have it boneless. So I bought fillet of Maryland, which is a combination of thigh and leg. But if you just want to taste karaage and then you just have your ordinary chicken bone in, no worries, it's alright. Just go grab everything you need and then cook. So at this point, I am rubbing the ginger and garlic mixture with the chicken, but I believe I'll be getting the maximum effect of that flavor if I'm going to use my bare hands. So if you have a problem with using bare hands, then grab your gloves. But even Gordon Ramsay, I'm telling you, is using his bare hands in his own cooking show. And I think that makes no difference with us ordinary people. So let's have the liquids now. For at least 2 hours, this goes in the fridge, and then I'll just have to cover it with cling wrap because I don't have a lid for this container. But if you have a lid for your container, use that. Alright, let's have a break first before we proceed to frying. But this one is not sponsored, okay? I just want to show you a glimpse of what we have here down under. So this is what they call Woolworths, and in short, Woolies. This is where we grab our grocery items whenever we want to stock up our fridge or pantry. Bottled water because we don't believe in any filtering device, or we don't want to drink tap water. Going back to cooking, this is a mixture of corn flour and all-purpose flour. frying is to make it crunchier. And you may also do this even if it's not for karaage. And voila! This is your homemade chicken karaage. See you again in my next video. Please give this a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, Teka, and please subscribe. Thank you!